We've all had the experience of drinking a cold beverage on a warm summer's day and feeling like the cup is sweating in our hands. Well, it's not sweating, that's actually condensation. And that's occurring for some reasons that can be explained by building science. I'm going to show you how that same effect is actually happening inside of your home and why that's not good. So let's turn our attention to how much water vapor air can hold. So if you think about water vapor in the air, you can think about it in terms of small cups and large cups. And right next to me, I have a larger cup and a smaller cup. I've got the larger cup labeled 80 degrees because warmer air can hold more water vapor than colder air. The small cup is labeled 60 degrees and represents air that might be found inside of your basement or a crawl space. I'm going to go ahead and fill up the 80-degree cup with water to about 80%, which is going to symbolize the air has about 80% relative humidity. You can see that when the cup is filled up to about 80%, it still has a little bit more space. It could still hold a little bit more water, but it's mostly full. Now imagine warm, humid air entering a cooler space in your house. The cooler space has a lower temperature and therefore can hold less water than the warmer outdoor air. So what do you think will happen when this warm, humid outdoor air enters a colder space? Well, if you guessed that water is going to drop off in the form of condensation, you're exactly right. It just can't hold all of that water vapor. So that ends up condensing on surfaces. Now let's bring it back to a real-world example. If we had 80-degree outdoor air, for every 1 degree that the air drops in temperature, its ability to hold water vapor decreases by 2.2%. So for a 60-degree basement or crawl space and a 20-degree temperature difference, that means there would be a 44% difference in the amount of water vapor the air could hold. So if we're already at 80% and we increase that by another 44%, that would mean that we're at 124%. Well, the air can't hold 124% of water, so that extra 24% is symbolized by that water that just poured off the top. Now, think of the problems that could cause inside of your house. Condensation on the walls, on the floor, on wooden framing members. This is going to lead to mold growth, poor indoor air quality, and even rot of organic materials. All these things are bad for your home and your health. And this is why we want to control the flow of air inside of your home, and we want to dehumidify and condition the space. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this interesting.
Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home maintenance tips. See you next time.